Welcome back to Autoscope, the channel where we explore the most exciting vehicles and futuristic road machines from around the world. Today we're diving into something that blends adventure, comfort, and smart engineering all in one incredible package. Imagine a vehicle that lets you travel anywhere while carrying your home with you. That's exactly what the all-new 2026 Renault Camper Motor Home is designed to do. This modern camper is built for people who love the freedom of the open road but never want to compromise on comfort, technology, or style. At first glance, the 2026 Renault Camper Motor Home immediately stands out with its bold and modern exterior design. The body looks strong and aerodynamic, giving it a sleek appearance even though it's a large motorhome. The front fascia features sharp LED headlights and a wide grille that gives the vehicle a confident presence on the road. The tall stance and rugged wheels hint that this camper is not just meant for highways but also capable of exploring off-the-beaten-path destinations. The body panels are designed with lightweight but durable materials that help improve fuel efficiency while maintaining strength and safety. Moving along the sides, you'll notice large panoramic windows that allow natural light to flood the interior during the day while offering stunning views when you park in scenic locations. The camper also includes an extendable side awning that instantly creates a shaded outdoor living area, perfect for relaxing or enjoying meals outside. Storage compartments are cleverly integrated along the lower body, giving travelers plenty of space for gear, camping equipment, and travel essentials. Step inside the 2026 Renault Camper Motor Home and you'll find a space that feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. The interior design focuses on maximizing comfort while keeping everything functional for life on the road. Premium materials are used throughout the cabin, including soft touch panels, modern LED lighting, and stylish finishes that create a warm and welcoming atmosphere. The living area features a comfortable lounge with plush seating that can easily convert into additional sleeping space when needed. The dining area is cleverly placed near the large windows so you can enjoy meals with beautiful views of nature. A smart foldable table allows you to expand or reduce the space depending on how many people are traveling with you. Right next to the dining section is a fully equipped kitchen designed for real cooking on the road. It includes a modern induction cooktop, a compact oven, a refrigerator, and plenty of cabinets for storing food and kitchen tools. Whether you're making a quick breakfast or preparing a full dinner, this kitchen makes it easy. Moving further inside, the sleeping area offers a large and comfortable bed designed for restful nights after long travel days. High-quality mattresses and adjustable lighting make the bedroom feel cozy and relaxing. Some versions of the Renault Camper Motor Home also include a drop-down bed above the lounge area, allowing the camper to accommodate more travelers without sacrificing living space. The bathroom in the 2026 Renault Camper Motor Home is surprisingly spacious for a vehicle. It includes a modern shower, a compact toilet system, and a stylish sink with storage underneath. Smart water management systems ensure efficient use of water while still providing the convenience of a full bathroom on board. Technology plays a big role in this new camper. The dashboard features a large digital display that provides navigation, driving information, and entertainment controls. A touchscreen infotainment system supports smartphone connectivity, voice commands, and wireless charging for devices. Travelers can control lighting, climate settings, and even water usage through a smart control panel integrated into the living area. Under the hood, the 2026 Renault Camper Motor Home is powered by a strong and efficient engine designed for long-distance travel. The engine delivers smooth power and enough torque to handle hills and heavy loads without struggle. Advanced suspension ensures a comfortable ride even on rough roads, while modern driver assistance features help keep journeys safe and stress-free. Safety is another area where this camper shines. The vehicle includes advanced driver assistance systems such as lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. These features help reduce fatigue during long trips and add an extra layer of confidence when driving such a large vehicle. One of the most exciting aspects of the Renault Camper Motor Home is its energy system. Solar panels mounted on the roof help generate electricity during the day, allowing travelers to power appliances and charge batteries even when they are far away from traditional power sources. Combined with efficient battery storage, this system makes off-grid camping easier and more sustainable. Climate control is also carefully designed to handle different environments. Whether you're traveling through hot deserts or cold mountain regions, the camper includes efficient heating and cooling systems to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Insulated walls and double-glazed windows also help keep the interior quiet and energy efficient. Another highlight of the 2026 Renault Camper Motor Home is its smart storage design. Every corner of the interior is used efficiently, with hidden compartments under seats, overhead cabinets, and modular storage units that help keep everything organized during travel. This means you can carry everything you need for long adventures without feeling cramped. For people who love outdoor living, this camper truly shines. Once parked, the extendable awning, outdoor lighting, and optional exterior kitchen setup transform the vehicle into a complete outdoor base camp. You can relax under the shade, cook outside, and enjoy nature without sacrificing comfort. The driving experience is also carefully refined. Despite its size, the Renault Camper Motor Home is surprisingly easy to handle thanks to power steering, multiple cameras, and parking sensors that help during tight maneuvers. Long road trips become enjoyable rather than tiring, allowing travelers to focus on the journey instead of worrying about driving a large vehicle. Overall, the all-new 2026 Renault Camper Motor Home represents the perfect blend of freedom, technology, and comfort. It's built for explorers, families, digital nomads, and anyone who dreams of traveling without limits. With its modern design, smart interior layout, advanced technology, and off-grid capabilities, this motorhome transforms every road into a new adventure. That's all for today's look at the incredible 2026 Renault Camper Motor Home. If you enjoyed discovering this amazing home on wheels, make sure to support the channel. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Autoscope, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest automotive adventures. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video where we explore another amazing machine built for the future of travel. Minibus Sparkles.